Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Kemi and it's so nice of you to click on my video today. If this is your first time, you are welcome. My subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. On this channel, we do talk about skincare reviews, and I also give advice on skincare products that are out there and also how you can look after your skin. But today's one is going to be a different one because I will be introducing my personal products to you guys. The first product I'm going to be introducing to you is one of the sets that I have right now, and it is amazing, guys. It is beautiful. I started selling these products around January. Yeah, I started in January 2022, and it's been selling. Like, the thing that really got to me about this product is the fact that people are buying even when I haven't actually made an advert for it or made, advert. I've never called anybody to say come and buy this, but people will just see it on my website and they will order, or they will see it on my status and they will order. And that alone for me is like, wow, I'm just overwhelmed with the love that you guys have for me. And you have no idea how happy and how delighted I am that somebody would just see my product and just buy without even knowing anything about it. Guys, I am grateful, and I don't take that for granted. So I thought now is the right time to bring this to YouTube so that my YouTube family can also enjoy this amazing product. This product is going to transform your skin for the better. If you have damaged skin, if you have stretch mark, if you have burns on your skin, if you have spots, you need to try my product. So let me quickly introduce you to the product before I explain to you what they all do. So this is the 5D lotion. So this is the Intense White 5D lotion. It's quite big. It's 500 ml. And it is actually full. The content is more than 500 ml. I make sure that you get more than than 500 ml. And that's the lotion. This is the serum. This is the Intense White 5D serum. The serum is 120 ml. And we also have face cream. This beautiful face cream, Intense White 5D facial cream. I love this face cream. I love the container. You guys can see my hand in it. So it comes in this beautiful cup, and let me just show you what it looks like. And that's it. I just rub it around the head now. I'm gonna clean that up later. So that's the face cream. And last but not the least, from the 5D set is this beautiful soap. This is the soap, and that's what it looks like inside. This has the this also contains the 24K gold. 24K gold. So let's quickly go into it one by one so I can tell you what the ingredients are and tell you the benefits for your skin. So let's go for the lotion first, the Intense White 5D lotion. So like I said, this lotion is made with glutathione, avocado oil, collagen, and vitamin C, and it is recommended for people with damaged skin, stretch mark, and also sunburns with spots on your body. Now let's see what, oh god, it's so nice. I was just about to say, let's see what the manufacturer says about this product, and I'm so glad that this is me, the manufacturer, telling you about this product. That just feels so good. Let me not get carried away. So it starts with moisturize and brighten your skin with our best-selling Intense White 5D lotion that is fortified with glutathione and vitamin C. This lightweight formula quickly absorbs into your skin so that you can see results as early as 7 days. Now, when I say 7 days, I didn't mean you are going to whiten your skin in 7 days. I would never, you guys should know, I will never do anything that will whiten you in 7 days. But what I mean that is that within the next 7 days, you will start seeing the results in your skin. Your skin will get so much moisturized. You will also start seeing the brightening effect. You will start seeing the effect of the lotion on your skin from 7 days. Let's go back into it. This is made with glutathione, like I said, and it promotes even skin tone and fights the effect of aging. So this It's something that you can use day and night. This will give you a very youthful, supple skin. You guys can see from my video from last year to now, I'm sure you can notice the difference in my skin. I've been using my product for over like almost a year now, before we were testing and trying and all that. So I've been using this product for a while, and I can tell you, the skin tone that I have right now, it's so beautiful. My skin is so smooth, it's so silky, it's so soft. Like, I'm sure you guys will say, Shabish is the one that is selling it. That's, but until when you try it, then you will see it for yourself. So let's go into the ingredient, guys. So it contains glutathione, avocado oil, collagen, vitamin C and E. It also has kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, carrot seed oil, licorice extract, just to mention some. And let me just tell you this as well. It also has hydrolyzed soy protein. Now, today is not going to be the day that I'm going to go into all the ingredients and tell you their benefit. But you can see that based on just the ingredients that I've mentioned, these are very, very good actives that will help in terms of lightening your skin, brightening your skin, fading dark spots on your skin, giving you a clear, brighter skin. You can see it contains a lot of ingredients, a lot of actives, guys. You can pause and read. Or if you go to our website, the ingredients are all listed there. So this is the lotion, and then let's go for the serum. This is the Intense White 5-Day Serum, and this is the complex clarifying milk serum that removes and fades stubborn dark spots. It clears acne scars, sunspots, and all kind of blemishes. It is the fast action milk serum that helps to restore a clearer and more radiant, even toned complexion, while also smoothing out dry skin. This is amazing, guys. I'm not gonna even sugarcoat it. This serum is beautiful, and the good thing about it, you can also use it on your face and body. It is mild, even sensitive skin can use this product. Then let's go for the face cream. So the face cream is the Intense White 5-Day Facial Cream for the face. Protects you against the sun. It also anti-dark circle, anti-spots, anti-burn. It helps to rejuvenate and remove signs of aging and get rid of dead skin cells on the face. This also contains glutathione, collagen, vitamin C and E, and kojic acid, and alpha-arbutin, just to mention some of the ingredients. I've opened the face cream before. Let me just clean it up and show you guys. This is amazing, guys, and it absorbs really well in the skin. I'm just gonna put some, where can I put it, so you guys can see. You can see that it just goes straight in, and it's super moisturizing. It's going to, like, even when you wear makeup and you apply this before your makeup is going to sit well on your face. Quote me, guys, I'm telling you, this face cream is so amazing, and it will glow your face. It will give you that beautiful, beautiful glow. And then the final one, which is the soap. I brought it out before to show you guys. So this one is also a very good exfoliating and brightening soap, and it gives amazing results. This is formulated with goat's milk, glutathione, vitamin E, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and many, many more. This soap is going to help you to moisturize your skin. It doesn't dry out your skin, and the 24K gold in is going to give you that beautiful, beautiful color. And it's big, it's massive, and it's hard. It doesn't waste. You are going to use it for a very long time. This weighs 250 grams. So guys, as you can see, this product is amazing. I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration just for you to see how it absorbs well into the skin. You can see it's all gone. It doesn't sit on the skin. It penetrates deep into your skin so that it can give you that good result. So the best way to use I don't like mixing. I'm sure you guys would have known on this channel. So I prefer this. This is why I decided to make this way, so that I can have a lotion separate and my serum separate and just use them at the same time without having to mix. You know, I don't have the time. So I take a pump of my lotion. I'm not going to waste it. That will be enough. Yeah, put it in my palm and then put like a drop of my serum. Yeah, that's it. And then I mix it together. And this is how I cream my body. You guys can see how glowy that is. It's gonna leave your skin like really beautiful, smooth and glossy. Like, this difference in my skin nowadays is like the way that I feel like my skin is super smooth. When I touch myself, I like how smooth and, you know, and moisturized my skin is. For somebody like me that has a dry skin, when we were making this lotion, one of my main concern was to find something that is going to really bring moisture back to the skin, because you guys know when you are using whitening product, it does thin the skin and it does dry out the skin. So that is why I went out of my way to make sure that I got a product that will moisturize your skin, that will not thin your skin. It will actually help you to build your skin, and that's why it contains collagen. So you guys, if you are interested, this product is available on my website for you to order, www.fougesbeauty.com. So guys, to say thank you to my YouTube family and to appreciate you guys for all your support, because without YouTube, I don't think Fougees Beauty will be standing today. You guys have been a rock, and I do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Even if I don't say it as often, I do appreciate each and every one of you that have gone to my website to purchase. Like, when I see people order my product, I'm like, you don't even know anything about this product, but because they have that kind of trust in me and they buy the product, I am so overwhelmed. I'm so grateful, guys, and I will not let you down. I will continue to work hard to always make sure that the product that you get from me are good and very, very effective. So just to say thank you to my YouTube family, I have decided to have a 2-week sales of 20% off all my personal brand. So if you go to my website, you will get all my personal branded product for 20% discount. All my products are going to be 20% discount. And then for my YouTube customers, I'm going to put a code in the comment section that you need to enter so that you can get that discount. So I really want to know how many people are watching my video and also coming to patronize me. And there will also be a small tiny gift that will come with your order, just to say thank you. So you guys should run to the website right now and start placing your order. So you are going to get 20% discount just only on my own personal product. You will get it on the set, even if you get the individual. We have soaps. There's a lot of product that we have. We have our mulatto soap, our black soap, our Snow White soap. Oh my God, that one is amazing. But that one will be another story for another day. All the product that you see there are amazing. They've been tested. They've been tested for months before it started selling, so you guys can buy with confidence. Thank you for watching this video till now. If you have not been moved to subscribe, I'm going to encourage you right now to please subscribe to my channel. Like I said in the beginning, on this channel I do a lot of product review. I also just talk about skincare and how to look after your skin and all that. So you guys would definitely benefit one thing or the other from watching my video. I will encourage you to also share this video with your families and friends. And if you refer anybody to us, let's say you share this video, just put it in the comments. You know, when you order, there's a place where you can leave a comment. Just say, oh, this, I'm a referral from so and so, and I will surely add more gifts for you. Thank you guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video if you guys think it makes sense. Please like, share, and comment. I'll be in the comment section, guys. Till next time, stay blessed.